Hello, welcome to Time Research Business Leadership Award 2013. Time Research वो कंपनी है जो पिछले कई सालों से इस तरह के लीडरशिप अवार्ड्स करके लोगों की हौसला अफजाई कर रही हैं और देश के अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और अलग अलग इंडस्ट्रीज से लोग इन अवार्ड्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और ये अवार्ड मिलना यानी एक बड़ा रिकॉग्निशन। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि इस साल कौन कौन रहे अवार्डी इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज।
Achievers Private Limited, erstwhile Time Research Private Limited, Business Leadership Awards 2013 honor the doers and pioneers in spectacular style as the business and service industry joins in to facilitate India's top banking sector, telecom industry, manufacture industry, service and technology provider, education service, healthcare and wellness, hospitality, leisure and tourism, real estate companies and more. Each one of you is a champion sitting out here and we will be discovering more about the titles that you are going to receive. But now is the time to extend a special welcome, to give a warm round of applause to our chief guest for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, give a warm round of applause to Shri M.S. Bitta, Chairman, Anti-Terrorist Front, former President, All India Youth Congress, former Cabinet Minister. Expressing our sincere gratitude, paying our prayers to the Almighty. And also we have amongst us now our Chief Guest, Shri Subodh Kant Sahai, Honorable Member of Parliament, former Cabinet Minister for Tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and give a warm welcome to Shri Subodh Kant Sahai. Now we'll be beginning the award ceremony and the first title is Most Promising SME of the Year. It goes to Himalayan Polymer Industries, and for the same, may I please request and invite Mr. Suresh Singhal, Managing Director. The next award is for Education Leader of the Year and it goes to Marwari Education Foundation's Group of Institutions. Moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, next is Business Excellence for the Financial Advisory of the Year. And it goes to Testimony Enterprises Private Limited. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, the next title, it is for the fastest growing telecom company of the year. And the award goes to none other than Aircel Limited. Now we will be moving down to the next title. It is Real Estate Company of the Year 2013. And it goes to National Buildings Constructions Corporation Limited. Manufacturing excellence in personal care and home care products. And the award goes to Wonder Products. Award is for Business Excellence in Banking and it goes to Bank of Maharashtra. The next award is for the Business Leadership Award IT Services and it goes to NIIT Technologies. The next award is for Brand Excellence in Innerwear and it goes to Rupa and Company Limited. The next award is for Manufacturing Excellence in Rexine and Artificial Leather Products and the award goes to Relcom Technology Private Limited. award is for fastest growing BPO ITS in India, and it goes to InfoWorld, a division of Harbour Ventures Private Limited. Next award is for the Best Innovative IT Company of the Year, and the award goes to 3i Infotech Limited. The next award is for the Business Excellence in Diamond Jewelry Exporter, and the award goes to HK Designs India. The next award is for Best Management Institute with Academic Excellence, and it goes to Jaipuriya Institute, Indirapuram. The next award is for Business Excellence in One-Stop Solution Services, and the award goes to Paypoint India Network Limited. The next award is for Business Excellence in Property Solutions, and it goes to GP Chasey Solutions Private Limited. With this, we move down to the next award. It is for the Socially Responsible Company of the Year, and it goes to Seva Mo. The next award is for Business Excellence in Retirement Benefits and Statutory Compliance Consultants, and the award goes to Wisbin Management Associates. Moving forward to the next category, next award, it is for Business Excellence in Outsourcing Pharma Company, and it goes to Coombs Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Business Excellence for Manned and Automated Security Solutions, and the award goes to ESMSI Private Limited. The next award is for Dedicated Education Loan Company. It goes to Credila Financial Services Private Limited.
जिन लोगों को, जिन लीडर्स को अवार्ड्स मिल चुके हैं, दे आर नेचुरली वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड हैप्पी, और जिनकी कैटेगरीज के अवार्ड्स अभी अनाउंस होने हैं, दे आर सिटिंग विद देयर फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. Welcome back to the Time Research Business Leadership Award 2013.
We will be beginning with fastest growing company, and it goes to MS Farewell Securities. Next award is for the Business Excellence for Power Distribution, and the award goes to none other than PSES Rajdhani Power Limited. The next award is for Business Excellence in Fashion Wear Brand, and the award goes to Remanica Apparels Private Limited. The next award is for Business Excellence in Innovative Website Design, and the award goes to TechWade Consulting India Private Limited. Next award is for Manufacturing Excellence in Power Saving Equipment, and the award goes to Servomax India Limited. Best Luxury Hotel and Spa of the Year, and the award goes to the Metropolitan Hotel and Spa. May I please call upon stage Ms. Kavita Ghai. Best Online Travel Company of the Year. And the award goes to Easy Trip Planners Private Limited. The next award is for the Best CFO in Infrastructure and Construction Sector of the Year. And the award goes to Mr. Devatha Venkata Prasad, CEO Projects Business Group. The next award is for the Business Excellence in Merchant Trade. And the award goes to DML Exim Private Limited. Congratulations. And the next award is for Quality Excellence in Home and Office Furniture. And the award goes to the Interior Furniture Concepts. The next award is for Business Excellence in Corporate Consulting. And it goes to Bunevandra Group of Companies. The largest importer of teak wood. And the award goes to Jayaraj International Private Limited. The next award is for Manufacturing Excellence in Cosmetic Products. And the award goes to Dyna International. The next award is going to be for the Outstanding Contribution for IT in Andhra Pradesh. And may I please invite on stage Mr. Udupi Arun Kumar Seth Express Private Limited. The next award is for the Business Excellence for Website Designing in Delhi NCR. And it goes to Speda Technologies. The next award is for the Best Preschool in Karnataka. And the award goes to Podar Jumbo Kids, Primario, Fraser Town. The next award is for the Best Fast Food Restaurant in Kolkata. And it goes to Ashtavinaya Cuisines Private Limited. The next award is for the BPO Excellence Customer Care Campaign Management in Maharashtra. And the award goes to Vision Marketing and Information Services Private Limited. The next award is for the Emerging Real Estate Portal in Maharashtra, and it goes to Bharat Estates. Next award is for Best Performing Cooperative Bank in Rajasthan, and it goes to Adarsh Cooperative Bank Limited. The next award for the evening will be for the Business Excellence for Financial Services in Rajasthan, and it goes to CM Goenka Stock Brokers Private Limited. The next award is for the Best Luxury Residential Real Estate Company in Tamil Nadu, and the award goes to Mount Housing and Infrastructure Limited. The next award is for the Business Excellence for Financial Services in West Bengal, and the award goes to AUM Capital Market Private Limited. The next award is for Most Promising Play School, and it goes to Shamrock Group of Preschools. The award is jointly shared by JMV. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we have coming up on stage JMV for the Most Promising Play School. Next next award is for the best ICT enabled school, and it goes to Shimford Group of Schools. Moving forward to the next category, it is for the best dance crew in North India, and it goes to Skeleton Dance Crew. The next award is for the Manufacturing Excellence for Coins and Medals, and the award goes to India Government Mint, Mumbai. The next category is Builders of the Real Estate Industry, and it goes to Swagat Group.
टाइम रिसर्च बिजनेस लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2013 में अभी वक्त है एक और छोटे से ब्रेक।
You are getting award is not a big thing, but your achievement is a big. And I feel proud to be associated with all the achiever. India need player like you. This country need player like you, where we can really fulfill the dream to become the leader of the 21st century. And all of you have created a landmark, and I must thank to this organization.
यह जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर कोई फौज का जवान जब पुलिस का जवान सरहदों की रक्षा करने के लिए वो एक मिशन पे चलता है, आपका भी मिशन एक वैसा ही है जो अपनी इंडस्ट्री, अपना काम, अपना बिजनेस, उसमें मजबूती, उसमें मेहनत, उसमें लगन लगा करके अपने भारत माता का नाम पूरी दुनिया में ऊंचा करता है, अपने भारत को मजबूत करता है, अपने देश को मजबूत करता है, उतना ही योगदान हम आपका मानते हैं।
चलिए अब आज के कुछ अवार्डीज से मिलते हैं और जानते हैं कि बिजनेस लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2013 उनके लिए क्या मायने रखता है।
It's a great feeling, I would say, and it's all dedicated to the hard work of our entire team put together. Time Research, they are doing an excellent job in bringing together the domain experts and also the industry leaders and recognizing their efforts.
ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए एक बहुत मायने रखता है। हम लोग 15 साल से इस फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं और एवरी डे वी आर गोइंग अहीड विद मैनी ऑफ द मल्टीनेशनल्स और एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है कि वी कैन डू बेटर।
I represent 9,000 employees of 3i Infotech. We won for innovation, and that's really good because our values is innovation, insight and integrity. It's a testimony to the employees who have worked behind it.
This evening has been a very great occasion for our organization, and the hard work that has taken place from the last 2 decades is what the recognition we are getting it today. This award is basically for all my staff.
This recognition is not because of me, it is because of the whole team who has done this wonderful job, and definitely the credit goes to the Time Research also, that they have analyzed the data and found us to be awarded for this function.
The moment we have been recognized that we are going to receive an award, like we have received lot of congratulations from all our well-wishers and everything, and it will really enhance our business a lot. And first of all, we will be now more, we are like towards providing more quality services to all our clients.
It was very it's a proud moment for the company
because we so far got quite a few awards otherwise, but this is supposed to be a very prestigious award and very happy about it.
It's the recognition of the student community, the way in which their dreams get achieved by the funding that Credila provides to them for pursuing higher studies in India and abroad. So it feels really good that they would get encouragement hopefully to for some more students to achieve their dreams.
This is a great encouragement to all business leaders in Indian economy, and feels great honor to receive such award from such organization.
I'm feeling great. It's a dream come true, because when we started it, the aim was to touch every child's life and give them the best that we can, and this is a big encouragement.
We are last 32 years and we are producing power saving equipment. So by the award, the awareness will be created in the corporate world and government sector where energy saving products are there.
Now we got a platform, and we have to maintain this platform in more better variety, more better quality service to the client. The more the better we get, the more and keep on getting this.
This award gives me a platform to make ourselves aware to the other people, and people will come to it with more of the faith and trust कि आप हमारे पास इनका अवार्ड मिला है तो खाने की क्वालिटी भी अच्छी होगी करने के लिए.
It's very reassuring that whatever we are doing is in a right direction, and we are, it's reassuring for each and every person involved in the team.
This award is really a motivating and honor for our company, as well as my colleagues who will be prompted to do more efficient and effective ways to do and improve the business. And definitely it will help us achieve the untapped market and untouched clients.
This award is really gives immense pleasure and is motivating us to do more and more better services. So this is for entire team PV Corp.
Thank you Times Research for giving us this award. After receiving this award, we got so much positive energies, and this award is not only for us, it's for our team, which is the back office, you can say. Thank you Times.
I feel gratified and honored with this recognition, where this success is not only for me or for my business, it is for my whole team.
It means recognition. Obviously the efforts which we have, the team has put in, has got recognized at some level, and we intend to take this a long way ahead, on a national level.
It feels awesome. This is, we started about 7 years ago, and this is our 7th award. It feels really good.
This award is not individual award. It's 100% my team effort. Each and every member of my office owes this. This is for them.
To achieve this award is a big achievement for me. Thanks to my family and my office associated members and everyone who extended their cooperation to receive this award. Thank you.
टाइम रिसर्च बिजनेस लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2013 की इस खास पेशकश में बस इतना ही। आप देखते रहिए जी बिजनेस, आपका फायदा।